This is Forrest. He's a boy who sadly was picked on by the other dogs, so he has to live on his own in a cage, which is no life, so we desperately need a home for him. He can be fostered. He is such a sweetheart. Yeah, Forrest, you are, you're such a sweetheart. He's only medium size. Good boy, good boys. Good boys, thank you for your call. Thank you. He loves a cuddle.